Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum, good evening. I'm clinical pharmacist and welcome to your favorite channel, your health partner. Today we will discuss about diabetes, that is emerging disease, as you know. Uh, Now we will discuss about the fruits and vegetables and everyday food that will help to reduce the symptoms of diabetes and maintaining the and helpful in maintaining the blood glucose level. So first of all, food is rich source of multivitamins and minerals, while it is also maintains the blood glucose level and even get rid of all sorts of disease. But while the medicine, allopathic medicine, or other any sort of other medicine have its their own role. So first food that we recommend you is the fatty fish. All types of fishes you can use for in reducing the diabetes that as they can maintain their blood glucose level, even they control blood cholesterol level, and they are also beneficial in eyesight as they are rich in source of vitamin E and vitamin C. Next food is blueberries. All sorts of berries like strawberry, blackberry are helpful in reducing the blood glucose level. Also, in that are rich source of vitamin C and helpful in boosting the immunity. Third one is broccoli. Broccoli is some sort of green leafy vegetable that a rich source of vitamin C and it helps in boosting the immunity level. Next, fourth one is beans. All sorts of beans that includes black beans, white beans that helps in reducing the diabetes and also maintains the digestive system, heart, and also boost the immunity level. So you should take them. Chia seeds is the fifth one food that you should eat. These are some small sorts of beans that also helps to improve the digestive system, heart rate, and immunity. Next, sixth food is whole grains that you can use in different forms of different forms of your food. You must intake them in different ways. Even, then the seventh food that you should eat is the leafy green vegetables that are rich source of vitamin C, vitamin E, and also omega 3 fatty acid. This is the beneficial for eyes, heart, brain, and just so many other diseases. Next, eight food is yogurt. You should intake the yogurt as much as you can. Ninth one food fruit is avocado. That is one sort of fruit. You must intake them to reduce the blood cholesterol and blood glucose level. That is, it is rich in vitamins and healthy fats. Next one is quinoa. Quinoa is some sort of beans, and it also helps in regulating the blood glucose and blood cholesterol level. 11 food that you should take is dry fruits, you can say. Dry fruits which includes like almonds, walnuts, you must intake them in your everyday life. And pistachio, this helps to reduce the cholesterol level as they are rich in a resource of omega 3 fatty acid. Next, 12, you must intake the ginger in different as a sort of food, like you cook or use as you like. Next, 13 food you should take is cinnamon. That is a break. That is it is form of some powder you can use in different sort of teas and soaps are in your food as you like. And as you know, different sorts of fishes already discussed, so we don't now again discuss about the fishes. But tuna fish is the top of in among the all types of fishes. Next, 15 one is red onion. You can use in everyday life while cooking all sorts of foods like vegetable, meat, and grains. 16 food you must take to reduce the diabetes is eggs. You can cook them or toast, you fry them, boil them, or make a toast, or in any sort and any form you can use it. And last one, um, beetroot, that is which source of omega-3 fatty acid, as it also helps in um, uh, introduction of blood.